Hi everyone! Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. I'm Mandy. Today we're making tomato egg noodle soup. It is one of our go-to dinner recipes when we just want something quick, easy, and delicious. Unlike other Chinese dishes, this one does not require any special ingredients. You probably have everything in your kitchen already. So let's get started. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl and beat them well until you don't see any obvious egg white. Usually I use 1 egg per person, but you can definitely make more depending on your appetite. Dice 3 tomatoes. If you have time, you can remove the skin. If you don't have time, just leave it. Turn the heat to high. Add some cooking oil to a wok. Swirl it around to create a non-stick layer. Pour in the egg. Give it some time to let it set. Turn off the heat. Break the egg into chunks by using your spatula. Remove the egg and set it aside. Drizzle in 1 more tablespoon of oil. Add the diced tomato, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Stir until the tomato paste is dissolved. Season it with 1 teaspoon of sugar and ½ teaspoon of salt. Keep stirring over low heat for a few minutes or until the tomato is soft and there is a lot of juice pulling out at the bottom. Pour in 4 cups of chicken stock. This is store-bought. You can also use water. When I was little, we always used water, so nothing is wrong with that. Bring it to a simmer. Then we will add the noodles. What I'm using are these fresh ramen noodles. This recipe is not limited by the types of noodles, so you can use whatever you have in your pantry. You can definitely cook the noodles in a separate pot, then transfer them into the wok so they don't thicken up your broth. I actually prefer my noodle soup to be slightly thick and creamy. That's why I am cooking them in the wok directly. The cooking time depends on the type and thickness of your noodles. If you're not sure, just read the instructions on the package before you cook them. While waiting for the noodles to cook, you can quickly cut up some green leafy vegetables. I use baby bok choy. When the noodles are almost done, throw in the baby bok choy. Put the egg back into the wok. Give it a taste. The store-bought chicken stock that I used is low sodium, so I just need 1 tablespoon of soy sauce here and it will be perfect. If you're using unsalted stock, you will have to add a little more salt. Now we are ready to serve. Optionally, I like to top with a couple cloves of soy pickled garlic. It is homemade. You just put the garlic and the soy sauce into a mason jar and let it ferment for 2 weeks. You can also use other kinds of pickles that you have. As the first kid in my family, I used to take care of my 2 little sisters. This is the most often breakfast that I cook for us in the morning before going to school. It can also be a quick dinner as it is very hearty and healthy. Despite the simple ingredient, the combination is incredible, so flavorful and savory. The soup is creamy and comfortable. If you want to see more of these easy homemade recipes, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and families so they can make it for you. As always, you can click the link in the description and find the printable recipe. Thank you for watching. This video is sponsored by Souped Up Recipes Carbon Steel Wok. This is the wok that I'm selling and I am proud to recommend it to you as I have been using it on my channel for years. It is lightweight, it responds to heat changes quickly and evenly. It can also sustain super high temperature without damage, perfect for wok cooking. If you like Chinese food and you want to learn how to make it at home better than takeout, you definitely need one of these, as it is the most basic cookware in Chinese cuisine. If you want to buy it, the link is in the description. Go check it out. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!